Daddy, do I look beautiful in this dress?
Yes, dear, but you are always beautiful.
Really? Do you really believe that, Daddy?
Of course I do. I wouldn't lie about something like that.
Okay. How about if I do this?
Still beautiful.
What if I wear this?
Still beautiful.
Okay. What if I talk like this?
Still beautiful.
Really, Dad? Surely you don't believe that.
Yes, I do. You know why? Beauty is more than just what you wear or how you look. Remember that time a girl named Gabby in your school was crying because she got knocked over by a bigger kid?
Yes, I remember.
What did you do when you saw her fall?
I went over to her and helped her get up, and I asked if she was okay.
Is that all you did?
No, I asked if she wanted to go to the office to get a bandit, and then I walked with her to the office.
You are more than what you look like. Yes, I believe you are beautiful. And I'm not just saying that because you are my daughter, but I also believe you are way more than what you look like. Beauty is helping a little old lady walk across the street. Beauty is being kind even when others aren't. Beauty is giving food to someone who is hungry.
Oh wow, I must be heaps beautiful because I'm always feeding my baby brother.
That's right. That is really nice of you to do that. Next time you look in the mirror, say to yourself, you are more. Then give yourself a high five.
You're so random, Dad.
You take after me.
You are more, so much more. You're more, so much more. You're more, you're more, so much more. Beauty's more than just what's on the outside. You can't even see it with your real eyes. Beauty is when you give to others. Beauty is kind, so keep that in mind. Beauty is more than just what you look like. If you could only see what's on the inside, you would find a heart of gold. If you dig a little more, you are more, so much more. You're more, so much more. You're more, so much more. Beauty is when you love others. It's not something you keep to yourself. Beauty is light you do not hide. So share your light a little more. You are more, so much more. You're more, so much more. You're so much more. You are more, so much more. You're more, so much more. You're so much more.
Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.